Your thermos can keep coffee scalding hot for hours. That same thermos can keep lemonade ice cold all day. So how does it know which job to do? Here's the funny part. It doesn't know anything. Your thermos has no idea what's inside it. It's not heating your coffee. It's not chilling your drink. It's doing something much simpler and much sneakier. To understand it, let's talk about how heat actually moves. Heat is lazy but restless. It always tries to spread out. Hot things want to cool down. Cold things want to warm up. Heat always flows from warm to cold, never the other way. So your hot coffee is constantly leaking heat into the cooler room around it. That's why it goes lukewarm on the counter. And your cold drink? The warm room is leaking heat into it. That's why ice melts and lemonade goes warm. So really, there's only one enemy here. Moving heat. Stop the heat from moving, and hot stays hot, cold stays cold. That's the whole secret. A thermos isn't a heater or a fridge. It's a heat blocker. Now, heat has 3 sneaky ways to travel. Let's meet all 3, because your thermos blocks every one. The first is conduction. That's heat moving through stuff it touches, like a metal spoon getting hot in soup. The second is convection. That's heat carried away by moving air or liquid, like steam rising off a mug. The third is radiation. That's heat beaming out as invisible waves, like the warmth you feel near a fire. Block all 3 and heat is trapped. So how does a thermos pull that off? Open one up and look inside. A thermos is secretly a bottle inside a bottle. 2 layers of wall with a gap between them. And here's the clever bit. That gap isn't filled with air. It's filled with nothing at all. A vacuum. A vacuum is empty space. No air, no particles, nothing to touch. And heat can't conduct through nothing. No air also means no moving air. So convection is blocked too. 2 enemies down, but radiation can still beam across empty space. So thermos makers add one more trick. They line the inside with a shiny mirror surface. Shiny surfaces bounce heat waves right back where they came from. So the hot coffee's heat radiates out, hits the mirror, and gets reflected back into the coffee. Sneaky. Now put it together. Vacuum stops touching heat and moving heat. The mirror stops beaming heat. All 3 doors are shut. That's why the same thermos works both ways. It doesn't keep things hot or cold. It just keeps heat from crossing that wall in either direction. So next time your coffee's still steaming hours later, remember, your thermos never knew it was coffee. It just refused to let the heat escape. If you love finding the clever ideas hiding in everyday things, stick around and subscribe.